Hi everyone. Don't like the HDR effect on your iPhone? Here's how to turn it off for both your camera and social media apps. First, let's disable HDR video on your iPhone. Open the Settings app, then scroll down and tap Camera. Next, and scroll down until you find the HDR video option. If it's turned on, your iPhone records videos in HDR. To turn it off, simply switch the HDR video toggle off. Keep in mind, this only affects videos you record. It won't change HDR videos that you watch. Now, let's turn off HDR media in apps like Instagram. Open Instagram and tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Then tap the three-line menu in the top right. Scroll down and select Media Quality. Look for the option to disable display of HDR media and turn it on. And that's it. Just remember, HDR settings may be different for other apps like Facebook or YouTube, so you may need to change them separately. If this guide helped you, like the video and subscribe for more useful iPhone tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.